Your new career is calling. Are you ready to answer? Do you want a career with real purpose? Do you want a job where you can control your income? You can become an insurance agent. This is not just a job selling policies. It is a career where you provide people with financial security. You help them protect their families. You help them protect their homes. You help them protect their futures. This guide is your roadmap. It is a simple step-by-step plan. We will break down exactly what you need to do. You can go from where you are today to a licensed agent in about a month. It takes focus. It takes action. But you can do it. Step 1. Laying the legal groundwork. Before you can sell a single policy, you must be legally qualified to do so. Every state has its own set of rules. You cannot skip this step. You must not skip this step. Your very first action is to find your state's Department of Insurance website. Go directly to the official government source. Look for agent licensing or producer information. This is your source of truth. Find the specific requirements as of today. This is non-negotiable. Requirements are usually straightforward. Be at least 18 years old. Complete your pre-licensing education hours, a formal course on insurance fundamentals. Pass a state-administered licensing exam. Submit your application and undergo a background check. States differ. Pay close attention. List every requirement, note education hours and fees. Get organized from day one. Once you have your checklist, take action. The study grind. How to conquer the licensing exam. You have enrolled in your pre-licensing course. Now the real work begins. You must study. There is no way around it. The exam is challenging. It covers general principles, life, health, property, and casualty, plus state-specific laws. Absorb the material so you can apply it with future clients. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Dedicate 2 to 3 hours every day. Treat it like a part-time job. Find a quiet place. Turn off your phone. Protect your focus. Use flashcards. Read aloud. Teach the material. Teaching reinforces learning. Take every practice exam. They show what you do not know, then fix it. They also build timing and reduce anxiety. When you are scoring well, schedule the exam near the end of your 30-day window. Review, sleep, eat, arrive early, stay calm. Read carefully. Trust your prep. While you are studying, think about your next step. Where will you work once you have your license? Passing is just the beginning. You need a place to hang that license. You have 3 main paths. The right choice depends on your personality, finances, and long-term goals. Path 1, captive agent. You work for one company like State Farm, Allstate, or New York Life. You sell only their products. Benefit, support, training, a brand, marketing, and a structured system. Downside, limited options if your product is not the best fit. Path 2, independent agency or broker. Contracts with multiple insurers so you can shop for clients. You offer choice and often higher commission potential. Trade-off, less formal training. You must be a self-starter, generate leads, and run your mini business. Path 3, truly independent. Start your own agency from scratch. Ultimate freedom and income potential. You are the boss. But it is the hardest path and usually not for beginners. Once you are licensed and have chosen your path, it is time to learn how to sell. Erase the slick, fast-talking stereotype. That is not you. Your job is not to push products. It is to provide solutions. The foundation of every sale is trust. If a client does not trust you, they will not buy. And they will not refer you. Start by listening. Your first meeting should be 80% listening. You are on a fact-finding mission. Ask, tell me about your family. What are your biggest financial goals for the next 5 years? What worries you most about the future? Take notes. Show you are paying attention. People want to be heard and understood. After you understand, educate. Avoid jargon. Use analogies. Term life is like renting coverage. Whole life is like owning it. Show 2 or 3 options. Clearly explain pros and cons. Then say, based on what you told me, option B seems the strongest fit. What are your thoughts? Let them decide. If hesitant, address concerns honestly. Never sell what they do not need or cannot afford. The right close makes clients feel smart, secure, and confident with your guidance. Now you need clients. Start with people you know, family, friends, old classmates, former co-workers, neighbors, people from your gym or place of worship. Reach out. Hi, I am excited to share I have launched my career as an insurance agent. I help people get protected. If you or anyone you know has questions, I would be honored to be a resource. Serve well, then ask for referrals. One happy client can lead to 3 or 4 more. Beyond your first circle, be visible. Join, volunteer, and actually connect. 3 meaningful conversations beat 100 cards. Be helpful and knowledgeable first. Agent, second. Build a simple profile, share useful tips, and show up consistently. Keep learning. Products change, laws update. Your clients rely on you. Set small weekly goals. Contact 5 people. Attend 1 event. Small actions, stacked, create big results. Your 30-day launch, condensed, days 1 to 2. Research and enroll, days 3 to 21. Study daily, days 22 to 24. Schedule and pass, days 25 to 27. Interview captive and independent, days 28 to 30. List 100 and draft your announcement. You can do this.